One of the things I love about cybersecurity is that it's like playing video games all day.
There we go, there we go.
I'm naturally a competitor, and in cybersecurity, you get to compete against other people, and I think that's a lot of fun. I moved with my family to the United States at 8 years old. Most of the people in my family were in healthcare, but cybersecurity was what I was more passionate about. My four-year college didn't offer the technical skills I needed to get into the role I wanted. But I found out about the Cyber Advantage program at Montgomery College and decided to enroll. We had a tour at Lockheed Martin. I found out about a National Cyber Analyst Challenge. I got into the competition, and although we didn't win, Lockheed Martin offered me an internship. And I've been there for 2.5 years, and I've been offered a full-time role with the organization.
I was a stay-at-home mom working part-time, and after going through the Montgomery College cybersecurity program, I was able to get a job in the air traffic control industry.
They stress on allowing our students to become ready for the real world. So we use a lot of real equipment like real routers, switches, cables to prepare us, as well as virtual environments that simulate real life situations.
I had just met my wife. I was working at a fleet management company. I was living at home with my mother at the time, and I had 3 kids from a previous marriage. So I needed a career, I needed a way to support my family. Somebody just mentioned to me the Cyber Defense Certificate program, so I decided to jump in.
There's a lot of companies interested in students with those skills. And then
I feel like Hartford Community College got me started in the career I'm at today. I was working with a local credit union, and I just got a job over at Aberdeen Proving Grounds. And after my wife and I got married, we were able to move in to this house. It makes me feel accomplished.
After serving the Army, I earned a degree in IT. When I went looking for a job, employers told me that the degree would get you an interview. The certification would get you a job.
I joined the CPAM program. I got my internship, and then 30 days into my internship, I was offered a full-time position.
I attended Baltimore City Community College. The A+ certification program allowed me to move forward in the IT world. I was working as a temporary contractor using IT solutions at BWI Airport with no benefits. I literally worked 4 hours a day, 4 days a week. After I got my certification, my pay jumped almost double. I became a homeowner, so that was a very proud moment for me.
That's 70,000 openings in Maryland that nobody's going to fill, that you can go to school for 2 years at a very good rate, and you can go straight into the field.
This program actually helped me to get my Security Plus, get my Splunk certification, and help me prepare me for my CISSP next step.
Back in '94, I had to quit college. Going back at age 48, I kind of felt like I should have completed my college years ago. The greatest thing about Garrett College is they have evening classes to help me get the certification that I need and learn about cybersecurity more. I work for the state of West Virginia. I travel a lot to many different agencies. When you have field experience and you know how to be able to troubleshoot a PC, you know how to troubleshoot a network, you know how to program a router, they're gonna love you because you are ready to go. Biggest fear for me, my biggest stress was, am I gonna be able to pass? You know, that was added stress on top of children's stress or your bills or cancer. I worked through it all because I wanted to be able to finish what I started.